Hi Fabrice, what are we doing this week?
Hi, this week we're talking about getting greens in the depths of winter.
Okay.
So, what we got here is stuff we sowed in the autumn. So one way to get loose the winter is to plant your plant in the autumn, and then you've got a nice big salad plant you can harvest over the winter months.
Okay.
Problem with this is you need to get those in quite early, particularly if you're doing it outside. So really, sowing seed in August or planting plants out in September.
Okay.
If you want that to work, if you want to have stuff in January outside. If you do stuff outside, always better if you can protect it under a little mini tunnel made out of fleece or plastic. Just something to keep the weather off them as much as anything.
Okay.
Here, we did ours a bit later.
Okay, and what have we got?
We've got, on this side, we've got a great big range of Asian crops. So we've got things like Mizuna.
Okay, so that's
Pak Choi
Mizuna.
relative. That's Mizuna, the pretty one. And then here we've got a range of Pak Choi and Chinese cabbage relatives.
Yep.
So basically glorified turnip tops. And the way we're harvesting these, like the most efficient way of harvesting in the winter, is just to take a few leaves off the outs of the plant, just twist them off, and they come off really easily, and let the core grow on.
Okay.
That way you'll get multiple harvests from the same plant.
Okay. So these are salads. So would you cook them or would you eat those raw?
It's up to you. A lot of Asian greens, been bred for cooking. They kind of blanch very, very quickly or pickled. I don't particularly like them in salads. I like them that way. That's how they were traditionally eaten. But you can do what you want with them.
Okay. So if you were not on this scale, but if you were at home, how would you grow your winter greens?
Well, one way of doing them, if you've really only got a tiny space, is to get one of these mushroom boxes from the market.
Yeah.
Fill it with a couple of inches of compost and plant your plants in the autumn.
Brilliant.
So this was done probably, we should have written this down, probably done October time in the greenhouse, and it's been harvested multiple times, and it just keeps growing back.
Brilliant. Okay, thank you for that.